by road.
So these back areas here, sometimes the house is on two different roads. There's a darn sign for the road here.
In a quarter-mile drop-off.
'86 430. Hello, Burger King. 408, 86 408. Yeah,
Kevin.
for Kevin. Yes, indeed. All right. Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Awesome. You have a good one now. All right. Thank you. Oh, do they have a 4-digit PIN?
Huh?
A 4-digit PIN? Did they have a 4-digit PIN?
Kevin. Dashcam, you have a 4-digit PIN.
Sometimes it's the last 4 of the telephone number.
9802.
9802?
9802, huh?
Okay, thanks a lot. All right, have a good one now. Oh, thanks a lot. Good way to get around. Cheaper than the car, too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, then. Match, Jack in the Box. Should take this.
Head to your pickup at Taco Bell 85752 Farrington Highway.